Restoring Your Balance, a guide to equilibrium in life and language. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase that you might come across in various contexts. Restore your balance. Understanding this phrase can help you not only in your language learning journey but also in comprehending life's ups and downs. Let's explore what it means to restore your balance and how you can use this expression in everyday conversations. Firstly, let's break down the phrase into two parts: restore and your balance. To restore something means to bring it back to its original state or condition. Balance, in a literal sense, refers to the ability to stay upright and steady, without falling over. Combined, restore your balance can mean regaining your physical stability after losing it. Imagine you're walking on a slippery surface and almost fall, but then you manage to stand straight again. You've just restored your balance. Beyond the physical sense, restore your balance is often used metaphorically to talk about regaining emotional or mental stability. Life can throw challenges at us that disrupt our inner peace, similar to how an uneven surface can disturb our physical balance. When we restore our balance, we find ways to return to a state of harmony and calm within ourselves, despite the external chaos. It could mean taking time for self-care, meditation, or simply stepping back from stressful situations to regain perspective. You might hear or use restore your balance in various contexts. After a busy and stressful period at work, a friend might say, "I need the weekend to restore my balance." In a yoga class, the instructor could suggest focusing on breathing techniques to restore your balance, both physically and mentally. During a motivational speech, a speaker might encourage the audience to find activities that help them restore their balance in life, suggesting that equilibrium is key to happiness and success. It's interesting to note how the concept of balance is valued differently across cultures. In some, finding and maintaining balance is central to their philosophy and way of life. Think of yin and yang in Chinese philosophy. Understanding these nuances can enrich your use of the phrase, restore your balance, and make your communication more effective and empathetic. We hope this exploration of restore your balance has been enlightening. Whether you're talking about regaining your footing after a stumble or seeking peace in a turbulent time, remembering this phrase can help you articulate the journey towards equilibrium. Thank you for joining us today, and may you always find ways to restore your balance in life and language. See you in our next video.